Hello and welcome back to Flock and Fern. If you're new to knitting, or maybe you've just picked up your needles for the first time, then this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 tips for new knitters. These are the things I wish I'd known when I was first starting out, and I hope they'll make your knitting journey smoother and a lot more fun. Let's go with tip number 1, starting with the right tools. Knitting is so much easier when you have the right materials. For beginners, I always recommend light coloured yarn in a medium weight, like this chunky, or even an Aran or worsted weight yarn. It's much easier to see your stitches, and it's easy to track your progress. Pair that with some wooden or bamboo needles, which grip the yarn a little better than metal ones, and you'll save yourself a lot of frustration. Tip number 2, practice. Practice and practice. Don't rush straight into a project. When I first learned to knit, I wanted to make a jumper or a sweater immediately. But the best thing you can do for yourself is to just practice. Cast on, knit a square, purl a square, and let yourself enjoy the process of getting comfortable with the stitches. And remember, your first projects don't have to be perfect or even wearable. Every row you knit is progress. Tip number 3, don't fear mistakes. Every knitter drops stitches or knits something a little wonky. It's all just part of the process. Instead of stressing, see mistakes as little learning moments. One of my top tips is to keep a crochet hook nearby. It's a beginner's best friend, especially when you need to pick up a dropped stitch. And remember, sometimes the mistakes end up giving your project a piece of character. If you're finding these tips helpful, I'd really love it if you hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is completely free, but it really supports the channel and helps us keep making videos like this for you. So if you'd like more knitting tips and tutorials, go ahead and click that button. It means so much to us. Tip number 4 is learn to read your knitting. One of the most empowering things you can do is learn to recognise the difference between a knit stitch and a purl stitch. It's almost like learning a new language. You'll suddenly feel more in control of your knitting. When you can look at your fabric and know exactly where you are, all the patterns will feel a lot less intimidating. Tip number 5, enjoy the journey. Knitting isn't just about the finished project. It's about slowing down, creating something with your own hands, and enjoying the quiet rhythm of the stitches. Some days it will feel more relaxing, other days it will test your patience, but stick with it. The more you knit, the more you'll fall in love with it. So those are my top 5 tips for new knitters. I hope they make your first steps into knitting feel a little less overwhelming and a lot more joyful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and inspiration. And if you're just starting out, I'd love to hear in the comments what your very first project is, or what you want it to be. Thanks so much for watching, and most of all, happy knitting.